pretty sure this is a train to pick all these up, I think. So the guy earlier that was in that big vibrating machine that I have a video of, the like light lime green one, he was telling me how that machine worked, and it basically binds all the rocks together using different frequencies of vibrations. It causes the rocks to settle after they do what they got to do. And then he told me that there was a train that was going to come by to pick up all these machines, which I believe is this train. And it is, because there's one on it. So all the machines are lined up from up here all the way down. So I'm wondering what they're going to do to shorten it up. But I'm going to get a video of them loading these things up. I hope. They might go past the crossing. I don't know. That's what I think is going to happen. It's either that or they might untie before the crossing and then they're going to load from that end this way. But I was talking to the guy, he was telling me it was super sketchy going in between the gaps, like that. He said you're just looking down at the ground and he said it was very sketchy. Yeah, they're gonna load up at the crossing.
That's why your stomach will be hurt. Hello.
This yellow coil at the end unravels, and that's how they get up onto the train cars. I really wish I was able to see it.
See if I can get that on video. I might not. If I don't, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment.